This is Shelly Craft coming to you live on SNN.Live. We're at the Planet MicroCap Showcase 2019 in Las Vegas. With me is Todd Davis from CBD Unlimited. It's a publicly traded company and the symbol is EDXC. Todd, welcome back to SNN.Live.
So glad to be here. Good to see you again, Shelly.
How's the conference going for you?
It's fantastic. This is one of the best turnouts we've seen in years. So there's a lot of enthusiasm and a lot of new people and a lot of new faces here.
Well, thank you. Let's start this interview out with a brief overview of your company, and we'll go from there.
All right. CBD Unlimited is we're one of the pioneers in the CBD industry. We manufacture, formulate, and clinically test CBD-built products. So
let's get an update, because I haven't seen you in a few months, and if anything's going on, I want to hear about it.
So since the Farm Bill Act came out, that was post our last interview, really things took off for the CBD industry. It was kind of the permission slip to get busy and get going on the commercial end. Since then, we've interviewed with the majority of the major pharmacy buyers and pharmacy companies of the United States to really get a good feel for where they're looking at this as an industry, where they want to fit into it, what time of the year they want to start selling products. And we have now launched our first commercial line, our premium blue line, into the mass market pharmacy space.
So let's talk about this blue line. What is it?
Blue line is, there are 7 products that we can mass produce, even in the event of shortages in the CBD market. We're still an early industry. There's a lot of new demand for the product, so it's hard to get the resources you need. A blue line is the highest quality, most effective products that we can deliver that has a therapeutic value and has great customer satisfaction that we can mass produce and deliver on to the consumer and our clients.
What would you say is unique about your company?
The uniqueness of our company is we started off this not looking at it as a marketing enterprise. We looked at it as deficiency in the market. We figured out through clinical testing and patient volunteers, dosing, targeted delivery systems, and targeted therapy platforms that would make it a better experience so people could rely on it as a dependable tool in their own wellness and their quality of life.
What's CBD Unlimited's competitive advantage?
Knowledge, science, and compliance. A lot of people think that it's easy to go out and sell CBD, but this really does fall under the FDA regulatory compliance, the USDA compliance. Every major regulatory body that has anything to do with oversight of an industry is going to have to keep an eye on this. And if you're a company that's trying to cut the corners and trying to wiggle through the system without taking the extra steps to be compliant, you will be shut down. There will be recalls. And as a new industry and being literally one of the hottest things we've seen in 30 years, we've taken that extra conservative approach to prepare where we're always 2 years ahead of the curve, and we're executing in a way that will be here for a very long time, very sustainable.
So you're a public company, so only tell me what you can tell me. What are some growth drivers?
The growth drivers are, you go from 1 and 2 stores at a time on a sale to 1,500 at a time, 10,000 at a time. And you really have to be in a position from a manufacturing standpoint to scale with those orders. We have put all the necessary steps in the last 12 months to prepare for that scalability. Now we've gone, just since the last time I saw you, we probably had 700-800 stores under our belt. We're approaching 3,000 stores right now, starting May 1.
Let's get your website out there for our investor audience, if you would.
CBDunlimited.com is our website. We actually just launched a new one today, so it's the new and improved website. It's a better navigation experience. It's got better language in it that we've utilized over the last 4 years. So you'll find a lot of education there, a lot of links to science there, and a way to get really informed on CBD before you make that decision.
Ladies and gentlemen, Todd Davis, CBD Unlimited. It's a public company. The symbol is EDXC. I'm Shelly Craft. This is SNN.Live, coming to you live from the Planet MicroCap Showcase 2009 in Las Vegas. Todd, always a pleasure.
Shelly, it's been a pleasure over the years.
Thank you, sir.